Hello everybody, it's been a while since I made a video and any review. So today I thought to make a quick review for you for about this diamond microdermabrasion kit, which I'm using for last around 3 months now, and it gave me wonderful results. I bought from, I believe, Amazon, and every sitting, if you go for microdermabrasion, you end up by paying $40-50 a sitting, depending where are you going. But for me, I bought it about $25 and it works great. I use it weekly for 10 minutes on my skin, and it's easy to use. So I show you what it comes with. So this is the machine, which is very easy and to use. Right there, you just simply go and plug it in. I can show you. Plug it in here. Other end, of course, will go in the outlet. So now here is, it comes with these filters. So whatever debris it will collect from your skin will not go in. So you just put one filter here like that, and then you need to pick which wand you want to use. So initially there are different type of wand. Initially I use this one, but so if you are too new for microdermabrasion, please use this small one. If you already got it done sometimes, and you know your skin can take a little bit more rough treatment, then you can go with this diamond peeling microdermabrasion tips. So very simple, you put this, and then this is right now, see it says this is for 10 minutes. It's set for 10 minutes. You can increase by this button or decrease. This one is level 1. We have 3 levels on that. So I usually used level 1, but 2 and 3 are for more vigorous treatment. So this is the on button, you turn it on. That's how it sound. So now let's see. So what happened, it will take out all the, you can see that, just, and then you can see a suck. See, if I turn it 2 to 3, you can see more suck. So it will take out the upper layer very gentle, and then it suck it, the garbage it's collecting from your skin or your old dead skin. It works really wonderful for me. You can use 5 to 7 minutes every 3 or 4 days, or you can use about 10 minutes in a week. I usually use about 10 minutes in a week, because I was feeling like every 3 to 4 days my skin was getting too sensitive. And after that, please do not apply any type of harsh chemical on your skin, because your skin is just peeled off very gently, which you don't even know, but it's peeled off. So see, this is the suction it gives you. And coconut oil or some sort of very gentle moisturizer is a good thing to put after the treatment. And then it will keep telling you how many minutes and what is your level, and then you turn it off once you're done. So that's all. So we hope you will like this review, and this will be a good information for you guys. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye now.